Chicago is going to be turned into the Warsaw Ghetto due to the fact that it's a transportation hub, and they keep wanting to do all this high-speed rail. And as it is, all the rail lines in the entire country stem from Chicago.
Well, Indiana-based news outfit called The Newspaper interviewed a right on the border Indiana county commissioner, and I learned the guy's identity, but obviously we voice changed him and everything when we got him on air one time for a short interview. It was taped interview, and then he also did another interview. And I've since confirmed it, and now a lot of it's actually come out. They've been training for millions of dead, locking down Chicago, in the surrounding counties around it and around Illinois for a long time. Go ahead.
Right. Why else would the president's right-hand man, Rahm Emanuel, take a job as a mayor? I mean, that makes no sense whatsoever unless something sinister is up.
We can grandstand as the savior when the terrorist hit.
Yeah, the boogeyman who lives 5,000 miles away. Anyways, I also wanted to talk a little quick story about something that happened to me at the VA hospital about a year ago. I was down there, and I seen a TSA agent, and I got kind of a smart mouth, and I said something to him. I said, "So how many times you stuck your hand down a 5-year-old's pants this week?" And this guy, he was about to swing on me, and he started to push me, and I just kept backing up. Luckily, the VA police came and escorted this guy, but this guy was screaming at me like he wanted to kill me. And, I mean, this guy...
Well, how many have been busted now raping kids and dealing drugs and robbing people? And I mean, it's just, look, only an idiot would take that job, or a criminal.
Oh, yeah, this guy had total anger issues. And, I mean...
No, it's all about his power over people. He's going to enjoy the power of being barbecued by that radiation.
Yes, sir.